Formation of a differential equation. Let x, y, c equal to 0 be one parameter family of curve with parameter c. Be one parameter family of curves. For example, circle. Circle is one parameter family of curve where radius, center is at origin and radius is varying. So if you are varying radius, so you are getting family of circle. Similarly, like parabola. So family of curve, one parameter. To obtain a differential equation, how to obtain? You are form a differential equation with the given equation. To obtain a differential equation, differentiate once. And eliminate the arbitrary constant. For example, let me have the example. Obtain a differential equation. My question is, obtain a differential equation from the given curve. From each time I am giving you a curve which is c square. For example, each time I am giving a curve, this is one parameter family of curve with c is a parameter and this is the equation. I have to obtain a differential equation. Let me call it number 1, equation number 1. Since there is one constant, differentiate once. Solution. Differentiate once. If you are differentiating 2 times x plus 2 times y and y is a function of x equal to 0. This means x plus y dy by dx equal to 0. You can leave the answer there because this is first order differential equation. If not, you can simplify later a bit more. Dy by dx is minus x over y. So this is the required differential equation when there is only one constant, one parameter. So if an equation involving one parameter, you are getting first order differential equation. Let me have cx square, for example. Cx square, this is a parabola. Quadratic equation are parabola. If c is positive, your parabola faces upward. If c is positive, so we'll have a parabola faces upward. Parabola faces upward. If c is negative, the parabola faces downward, something like that. So family of parabolas you are getting. So you can have the differential equation. You have to obtain a differential equation. Since there is one constant, differentiate once. So how I differentiate dy by dx is 2cx. Is this the answer? No. Because once you have a differential equation that does not have c's in it, you have to eliminate. I have written there. Differentiate once and eliminate the arbitrary constant. It means this equation and this equation, you have to eliminate c from equation 1. From equation 1, c is equal to y over x square. Put in 2. Put in 2. So dy by dx is equal to 2. C is your y over x square into x. X goes. So this is 2y over x is dy by dx. So this is the required differential equation which is free from any c's. Here c is going to be eliminated by taking the derivative. But in case if your c is there, solve them simultaneously so that differential equation does not have c's in it. So this is all about the first order. Let me write k equal to 0 be 2 parameter. Look at that. I have another function f is something f, x, y, c, k. So be a family of curve with 2 parameter. 2 parameter like ellipse, the hyperbola. something two parameter family of curves. To obtain a differential equation, differentiate twice. And if you have three constant, you have to differentiate thrice, and so forth. And differentiate twice and eliminate the arbitrary constant by solving simultaneously. So by solving them simultaneously. So for example, I said obtain a differential equation. I am giving you a curve. A cos 3x plus B sin 3x. Look at that. This is a function I have given where A, B are two constant. 3 is fixed. 3 is not going to be a parameter. 3 is fixed. Whatever the value of A and B, your 3 will not change. So 3 is fixed. So how to obtain a differential equation whose solution is given? So what we have, I have two constants. I have to differentiate twice. Minus 3a sin 3x plus 3b cos 3x. This I have to differentiate first time, and since a and b are two constant, I have to differentiate another time. Minus 9a cos 3x minus 9b sin 3x. Look at that. This is one equation, and this is second, and this is third. So, and solve them simultaneously by eliminate the arbitrary constants. So you can think carefully. If I am taking 9 common, what is left? If I am taking 9 common from equation 3, I will left a cos 3x b sin, which is y. So y double dash plus 9y equal to 0 is the required differential equation whose solution is this. So solve them simultaneously. It does not involve in that. So you can take minus common and you can something like that. So if there are three constant, differentiate thrice and solve them simultaneously so that your differential equation does not have any parameter in it, A, B, C, something like that. So these two equations I have solved couple of follow-up which you are solving sometime later. Follow-up. Eliminate the arbitrary constant. And obtain a differential equation. Number 1, y is equal to CEQX, where Q is fixed constant. So it means you have only one constant C. Y is equal to AEX plus BE2X. Number 3, y is equal to A over x square plus BX. Number 4, y is equal to C sin x. So these are 4 questions. Here A and B are two constant. You have to differentiate twice. Solve them simultaneously. Similarly, A and B are two constant. This is C, only one constant. So you can solve them, and these are the solution actually given. You have to obtain a differential equation out of it. So this is the introduction finish, in which we discuss the order, the degree, the linear, and we have see the solution of differential equation, and we have shown that functions solutions are functions, and if function is given, whether this is a solution, it means you are plugging back into the differential equation. Then we have seen how to form a differential equation, looking at the equation and see the parameters. The number of parameter will give you the order of the differential equation. If there is only one parameter, you will get first order differential equation. If there are two parameter, you are getting second order, and so forth. Let me have classification of differential equation. Classification. So let me have a flow chart for it. Type. Whether ordinary differential equation or partial differential equation. This is the type. So there are two types of differential equation, whether ordinary, partial. In ordinary differential equation, we'll discuss first order, second order, higher order. In first order, we'll have four methods to discuss. Number one is variable separable. Number two is homogeneous. Third is linear differential equation, homogeneous differential. And fourth is exact. In second order, I will discuss homogeneous and non-homogeneous. Similarly, in higher order, I will discuss homogeneous and non-homogeneous. Non-homogeneous. So this is the ordinary differential equation. We'll have the midterm exam for the ordinary differential equation. First order, second order, higher order, and partial differential equation. In partial differential equation, we'll discuss first order and second order. Homogeneous. So partial differential equation after midterm we'll discuss. We'll have a couple of physical phenomena, we interpret it mathematically, and we'll discuss how to solve a partial differential equation. But this is the type, there are two types. Ordinary differential equation in which ordinary derivatives are there, mean dy by dx, d2y by dx. Similarly, if the ordinary derivatives mean dy by dx, it means y is a function of single independent variable. Y is a function of single independent variable, then the derivative will be ordinary. If y is a function of more than one independent variable, then the derivative will be partial. So an equation involving partial derivative is said to be partial differential equation.